As your platform grows, UX issues don't just stick around, they build up. Suddenly you're seeing more support tickets, lower conversion, and slower onboarding. Teams spend time patching things instead of moving forward. So how do you decide whether to refine what you have or start fresh? Let's start with what bad UX looks like when you're scaling. You might notice a spike in tickets about the same task, or that new features feel disconnected. Maybe onboarding needs constant hand-holding to work. That's not just annoying, it's a drag on your product's momentum. In one project, we reduced onboarding friction for a fast-growing team. Just by reorganizing flows and guiding users to support articles, we lowered the burden on their help desk and made their platform easier to use. That's the power of targeted refinement. So what does refinement actually mean? It's not just polishing visuals. It means reworking information architecture to reduce drop-off, streamlining key flows to boost completion, and applying consistent components and patterns. Refinement makes sense when UX issues are limited. Your design system still works, and you need fast results without a full rebuild. But it has limits. If you're using it to delay bigger fixes, you'll hit a wall. That's when a redesign becomes necessary. A redesign isn't just a facelift. It's about rethinking how your product delivers value. One client had to create 40-minute custom walkthroughs just to help users get started. After a full redesign of their onboarding flow, support requests dropped and adoption improved. A redesign makes sense when core features confuse users, your UI breaks across devices, and there's no consistent structure or logic behind the experience. We help teams figure out this with product walkthroughs, stakeholder interviews, user sessions, and a full-on UX audit. We then validate what's broken, what's working, and what's holding you back. Sometimes a feature looks good on paper, but it still frustrates users. That's when we run A/B tests or dive into behavioral data to guide smart refinements without blowing up the roadmap. One of our clients, Oryx Movement Solutions, had grown fast, and so had their UX challenges. We found multiple modal styles across the platform, and after an audit, we introduced shared modal patterns across teams. The result? A faster team and a cleaner, more unified product. So, refine if you need momentum, and redesign if the foundation is broken. And if you're not sure, let's figure it out together.